Hey everyone, Robert Silver here, and today I have my co-host amyyy.cruz, and as I mentioned, she will be accompanying me on my photography tutorial journey with all of you, and today we've got something special in store for you.
We're going to be heading over to Walgreens with a $20 budget for headshots for an everyday natural beauty look.
I'm also going to explain what it is I go through when I shoot headshots. Today is a really good example of how to shoot nice and clean headshots for anyone looking to update their LinkedIn portfolio or corporate headshots like an agency model's portfolio. If you need to update those or actors' portfolio, this is the type of makeup that Amy will be doing that is really helpful for those models in case they need an idea, as well as for you as a photographer. It's good for you to learn so that you can better explain to them the kind of style of makeup that is best and appropriate for a very minimum price for them.
I want somewhere between here. Oh, that's not even me. So all of them combined, or these two mixed with these two, can make this color. L'Oreal, I love L'Oreal. Hey guys, we just got back from Walgreens and I picked up 4 products that are under $20. So on the 2 products that's on my left side, these were each around $6, and I will be showing you that more in the video. And then this is the eyeliner that I chose, the liquid liner that is around $5, and the blush that is around $3. So we'll see it in the look that we come up with, and I'm excited. So this is the Rimmel London Scandalous Eyes, and I chose the extreme black. I'm going to use the mascara on for my top and bottom lashes. What you want to avoid is pumping the mascara so you don't apply any bacteria inside the tube. So what I do is I wiggle and start at the base and up. And usually I don't curl my lashes, so this is what I like to do. Okay, that is all for that. So this is the liquid eyeliner that I chose, and this is in the darkest black. So I'm going to apply it on the top and a little bit on the bottom. So what I do is I just look at the frame without holding my lid, and we're just gonna flick. Ooh. And we don't want to do a big cat eye because it's going to be a subtle look. Okay, that's one eye. So I'm going to shake the bottle again and do the other side. And the only way that you're going to perfect a cat eye is practice. I just look straight in the mirror without holding my lid, because I know most people hold down their lid, but I just flick little by little. Breathe. And then it's kind of like you're filling an outline. Okay, to the bottom. Sorry, I did not mean to do that. So this is the blush I'll be using, and this is from Wet n Wild, and it is in the color Floral Majorly. And I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. You want to smile for this? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend it with my fingers, since the warmth of my fingers is gonna help it blend more seamlessly. And you want to look into the mirror as you're doing it, just so you can see the symmetry of your face. And less is more, obviously. Okay, so I'm done with that. Last product I have is by NYX or NYX, and it is in the color Sable. Going to apply it to my lips. And even before, you can put chapstick or primer that you have before the lipstick.
So Amy just took us through how she applies the makeup using only a $20 budget at Walgreens. Now, as far as the photography and the photos, all I used was a one light setup. I used the Godox 8200 with a 26-inch Octabox by Phototex and my Lumix S1 camera with the 24-105 f4 lens. It was a very simple setup, and that's what I wanted to show you, that you don't need a super high grade 1.4 or 2.8 lens to pull off this headshot, nor did you need multiple looks and everything. We just waited for the golden hour and we took out one flash, something very affordable and accessible to anybody with most budgets, and we captured some fantastic headshots. And Amy, what did you feel about this, and why did you think this was something important for us to share?
Yeah, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to mainly enhance the natural beauty of everyone's eyes, nose, and cheeks, and such as your lips. But I wanted to keep it under a certain budget, so at least a $20 budget, but to mainly use neutral colors. So nothing cool, nothing bright, no pinks, no blues, no greens, but to mainly make it seem seamless, as if you're not wearing makeup. So it's like the no makeup look, but to enhance your natural beauty.
And I like that idea a lot, because a lot of times, you know, there's a saying, it's like a dab will do. And you really don't need to go overboard. And a lot of times in a professional setting, like I said, as whether it be corporate or LinkedIn or just your business profile, or even just headshots for actors and models, you really don't want to go overboard. So this was like a perfect way for us to showcase, not only can you get terrific headshots with the minimum amount of photography gear, but also they can get a great look with a very small, affordable budget. So Amy, with that said, if folks want to get in touch with you, what's the best way they can?
So go ahead and find me on Instagram at amyyy.cruz, C-R-U-Z.
And guess what? We'll be posting that link down below. So feel free to check that out. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe to both our channels. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.